Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Ashanti. Today we're making a bargain Easter basket. I decided to go ahead and start early because I have a whole bunch of them to make because I got a lot of cousins. And it needs to be a bargain because I'm not about to spend all that money. So let's go ahead and start with the contents of the basket. This basket is for a toddler, so I want to get stuff that they wouldn't really choke on or things that wouldn't really harm a toddler. So, of course, fluffy stuff from the Dollar Tree. Guess how much it costs? You guessed it, $1. This is just cotton candy, really tasty. I've had it before. And it's good for toddlers because, as you know, it just put cotton candy in your mouth and it just kind of melts. So, cotton candy, puffs, Walmart, 2 for $1. You know how it go. A Kool-Aid jammer. Once again, like I said, I'm making several baskets, so I just bought the little 6-pack of Kool-Aid jammers and I'm just putting one in each basket. I got some chalk, and this is really cool because it has the chalk holder. Know how you don't like getting that chalk on your hands? Ain't gotta worry about it with this. I got this from Target and it was only $1. You can find it in the dollar spot. I got this bug catcher. As you can see, I got a theme going here. I'm trying to get items that will promote my cousins to go outside and play because I'm trying to live a healthier lifestyle. Not only am I trying to lose weight, but I'm also trying to be more active. So we're going to be active outside together. And I love these things. When I was younger, if I would have had one of these, oh my God, I would have been so excited. Cause I used to love going outside and like digging up the bugs. That's another story. But anyway, Dollar Tree. Also got a fart machine. This would have did me some good when I was younger too. This has 6 settings. Also got this from Dollar Tree. I probably said that before already, but my memory is kind of bad. So just bear with me. Got this cute little bunny. He was at Walmart for only $1. Well, 98 cents. Really cute. Love this guy. He's so cute. Silly string, which also came from Dollar Tree. And I buy this stuff all the time for my cousins always because, you know, we like to have little silly string fights. At Halloween time, everybody always comes over to my house and we'll trick or treat, you know, go to different festivals or whatever, and then we'll come back here, eat, play some music and dance, and have a silly string fight every year except for last year because of Rona. But anyway, and bubbles. Got these from Walmart. They were only 98 cents. When they're really cute because they're in like ice cream cone shape. I love them. What I was looking for this year though is a bubble maker. They have one, well, they had one at Dollar Tree a couple of years back. It was basically just like a little bowl that the bubbles were in, and it would go around in the bubbles and make it for you, because I'm the type that if I'm playing in bubbles, I like to play in bubbles. I don't want to have to blow them and then go play. Like, I just want to play in them. So those are the contents. So let's start assembling the basket. And also this basket came from Walmart. It was only 98 cents. So when we make the basket, what we want to do is we want to have some type of filler at the bottom, because you don't want to put your contents directly at the bottom because the basket's kind of deep, and you want the contents to sit on top so they can show. It just looks better that way. I just got this packing paper that came in one of my packages because y'all know I'm an online shopper, okay? Always got stuff coming in. So we start with that. But if you don't have that, you can just use like regular notebook paper. That's totally fine. And then this cute little stuff I got from Dollar Tree. You don't have to use the whole pack. I probably didn't even use a 1/4 of the pack, to be honest, because you don't need a lot. You just need enough to cover the brown part. It's really cute, see? So cute. And I like to have a little bit of it kind of falling out too. I don't know, that just looks better to me. Also, you'll notice that the handle is in the front of the basket. That way, when you pull it up, it can actually go over some of the stuff if you even decide to pull it up. You might just want to leave it like this. I think it looks fine like this, but just in case. Because the bigger items are going to be in the back and you won't be able to pull it up over them. So, pro tip. All right, so in the back, we're going to start with the bug catcher. Is that what they call it? Yep, bug catcher playset. Okay, so that's in the bike. And then so is the chalk set. You just kind of want them to play off of each other. They don't have to be perfect, just put them in there as best you can. Okay. That's looking good already, if I do say so myself. Fluffy stuff. Actually, let's try to make these to where they're almost the same height. I just pushed that one down more. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's good. Alright, fluffy stuff. Some people like for their stuff in the bag to kind of be taller than the contents in the front, but I really don't care. I don't think my cousins are gonna care either. They're just gonna be so happy that they're getting the Easter basket from me. Okay. Puffs on this side. The epic fart machine. I might use them myself. I ain't gonna lie, I might go ahead and buy me one myself. I like that kind of stuff. That's a little, Okay. Silly string and bubbles. They're both kind of greenish hues. Well, this is green. This is a hue of green. So we're gonna place that over here and over here. And then we'll let the widow bunny just kind of hang off the top. I think that's really cute. Yeah, like he's trying to jump out. Let me see. Yeah. Yes, that's perfect. And the juice, we just gonna put it kind of fit it in there. Just fit it in. Actually, I do want the stuff in the bag to fit, so to show. So y'all can tell I'm focused because my tongue out. I'm looking focused. I want to show a little bit, you know. Okay. So as you can see, I pulled the contents in the back up, and this one isn't as tall as this one, so I just kind of put it in the little crevices of the basket. Yep, that's cute. Perfect. And I got scissors too. I don't know why. Oh, that's why I got them. Okay, never mind. Yes, I got packing tape. Yes, I do. Because like I said, I buy a lot of stuff online and I return a lot of stuff online too. So you just take the tape, make it into like the double-sided tape, and just stick it in between whatever has like that plastic type of feel to it. You don't want to do it to the cardboard because, I don't know, it kind of looks weird when you take the tape off. Unless you really just don't care, which I don't care. So I'm going to be taping it to the cardboard also. Okay. Cream to the fart machine, and then in the back right there we're gonna take this to the Easter basket. Oh, I already got a piece of tape on there. Girl, what have you been doing? Pay attention. Y'all hear me talking about stuff? I'm gonna get it together one day. Don't judge me. Okay. There we go. Let's see. This is so cute, man. I think what I love most about Easter baskets, well, any type of holiday in general, is always, you know, stuff like this you get to do with your grandma and the people you love most. Because you don't get them times back. You gotta spend as much time with them as you can. She the one who taught me how to do stuff like this. She taught me, her and my mama, all the good stuff. Everything that you want to pass down to your kids. Okay, so next we want to just wrap the basket with some cello paper. I think that's how you say it, cellophane. I don't know. I'll figure it out, and once I find out, I'll let y'all know, okay? All right. This grass is everywhere. I'm tempted to really put that in my hair. It's so cute. All right, and I messed up my tablecloth. I don't need this tape no more. There we go. I did not think this through. There we go. Got stuff falling all off my table. Grass still all over the place. Ooh, okay. And that's the end of it, so this has to work. It gotta work. I don't have a choice. Okay. And if you want to, you can get some grass and put it at the bottom and some eggs, just to make it look cute. I think I'm gonna do that right now. Some grass, put it in there. You know what my grandma does? She gets this stuff and puts it all over the basket. So it's kind of like all over everything. But I like to see the stuff that's in the basket, so I'm not gonna do that today. All right, so found the paper that I actually need. I got this from Dollar Tree. I would suggest, if you're making a lot of baskets, just buy one roll per basket because it's not a lot of paper on the roll. If you don't want to use this, then Dollar Tree also has actual Easter basket bags. They're clear like this. I think they come like two, and they actually, I think it's 2 per pack, and they actually have like designs on them, like little chickadees and stuff like that. They're really cute. I don't know how big they are though, but just go to the Easter section, you'll see them. All right, so we're just gonna pull this up. If you have holes like you see how this is about to form a hole, I said a hole. You see like this is about to form a hole. All you have to do is tape it together, or just make it to where it's not showing like this. I'm using my hair scrunchie. Ooh, thought my nail came off. That would have been real embarrassing because these are press-ons. All right, so we got that together, and you can really just use tape if I'm being honest, but I like to use grass everywhere. Oh my gosh. It's so cute though. I can't help but to love it. Hey little bunny. Alright, so I got this from Dollar Tree also. This comes 2 in a pack. They're so cute. I just want to be like, love this. As soon as I seen it, I was like, oh, gotta get it. Alright. So I just put those inside of this part. If you don't want to use like a hair scrunchie, which I'm sure most people won't, you can just use a rubber band, or you can just get some tape and put it on there. Fashion it any way that you like. All right, so I put this in between and through the hair bow, and then just kind of play with it to make it look cute. I like to have a little bit of each color in every portion. Really cute. And we put the Easter basket.